In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I record expenses I paid for with my own funds. When you cover a business cost out of your own pocket, it's important to capture it correctly so your books stay clean and you can see the true cost of running the business. We'll walk through opening the expense form, entering the details, using an equity account when appropriate, saving the transaction, recording reimbursement if the business pays you back, and finally reviewing reports to make sure everything ties out. Start by opening the expense form in QuickBooks. Click the plus sign for new and choose expense. In the payee field, select the vendor or supplier you paid. For the payment account, choose the option that represents your personal funds, such as owner's personal account. If you don't already have a dedicated account for this, set up one called owner's personal funds, so it's crystal clear these payments didn't come from the business bank. Now fill in the expense details. Pick the payment method you actually used, whether that was personal cash, a personal credit card, or a personal check. In the category or account field, select the correct business expense account like office supplies, utilities, or travel. Enter the exact amount you paid. In the memo, you can add a helpful note such as paid personally by owner to make future reviews easier. If this cost should be billed to a customer for reimbursement, mark it as billable and link it to that customer so you don't forget to recover the expense. If you won't be reimbursed and you simply want to treat this as money you invested in the business, use an equity account. Categorize it to owner's equity or owner contributions by selecting equity, then owner's contributions, and enter the amount you paid. This ensures it does not affect business profit or loss, but increases owner's equity, reflecting the support you provided without distorting business cash. When everything looks right, save the transaction. You can choose Save and Close to finish up, or Save and New if you have several to enter. QuickBooks will record the expense to the business expense account and track whether it's reimbursable or an owner contribution based on how you categorized it. If the business reimburses you later, record the deposit. Go to New, then Bank Deposit. Deposit to your owner's personal funds or the bank account receiving the money. Set Receive From to Owner. Choose the account